Rise and shine, baby. Some people, they wake and bake. For me, I just smell the gasoline.
And it smells good, sir.
Well, this one, you see how pure it is? 100% pure gasoline.
As pure as Esso will give you. I mean.
I don't want to pull out the drift car, so I'm going to pump the gas.
Are you going to pump the gas from here? Is the hose big enough? Oh, you're putting it from there to there, from there to there. Ah, I see. So while Salim's filling up, we're just gonna run the credits. Make sure you follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, and you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Everything TooFast TV, baby. What? What?
You can't slide, you can't drive.
Yeah.
That's it.
That is dangerous operation.
That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
High off that gas, bro?
I think it's good gas. 100% pure gasoline. From Esso.
From Esso.
Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double.
Said time again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo.
Yeah.
Snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know.
Tony, you put a supercharger in there?
What?
Sounds like you got a little wine from the supercharger.
Yeah, I know. But it's an A.
Ah, shit. I thought it was supercharged.
That's what I thought too. Until I popped the hood and realized that one of my pulleys is not happy. Not happy?
Brother, we have to go to driver's meeting.
Yalla. I just want to empty out my car so we can hop on traffic ASAP.
Right away?
I gotta swap tires, so yeah.
Right away.
Like I'm gonna have sucks for the rest of my life if you don't buy them. TooFast, baby! Woo!
Fuck yes! Welcome to Drift Jam, y'all. We're gonna do a track walk. Everyone that's been here before knows. Number one rule is to stay off the grass.
Car is stuck in
TooFast, baby.
120 on the highway. I ain't trapping, you know every piece of grind game. Doing by 120 on the highway. I ain't trapping, you know every piece of grind game. Doing by 120 on the highway.
Stay off the grass, guys. Stay off the grass.
You got grass.
Alright, so we about to hit the track and see you guys out there.
Gotta connect the tunes, you know?
Cause after all this time, I'm still into you. I should be over all the time.
Yeah. We gotta get used to the track.
Yeah.
Today's gonna be a very challenging day. Throughout the day, the track is gonna change. It's gonna become less wet and less wet. So it's gonna take some time, but I think I'm gonna get used to it first lap.
You heard him, he said first lap.
We should have the 360 out.
Yo, bro, I got the 360 with me.
We should put on the roof.
Oh, no, we got the whole extendo arm thing.
Oh, extendo arm? We're extendo arming it.
We're extendo arming it.
You guys are gonna get 360 view of what's going on, baby. a little tricky. I mean, very tricky. I have a feeling my front wheels are rubbing, so
I'll give you a free trip chance.
we're gonna keep an eye on that.
Yeah, I guess we'll do a couple more laps, get used to it, and show you guys some killer shit.
Yeah. What?
Fuck up the grass, I will fucking strangle you!
I guess that was the real man.
Jeez! I leave this guy alone for like 2 laps. He comes back like this. I didn't even get it on camera. God damn it. Tony is swapping his tires, and we're gonna head out, do a ride along with him, and probably call it a day, because running out of tires kind of sucks.
Some fresh 255s out here from TooFast.
Jeez!
Ready to party, baby?
Let's do this.
Fuck yeah!
Alright, you guys, that's it for this episode of TooFast TV. Shout out Drift Jam. This is an amazing event. The footage was wicked. I'm literally leaving early so I can start editing this shit. So, yo, make sure you follow us on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook at TooFast TV and TooFast Inc. And make sure you hit that subscribe button down below.
TooFast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
If you can't slide, you can't drive. It is what it is.